Good morning and hello, my good friends at Trade Ideas. It's your favorite CEO coming in to show you once again how do I get these fills where I am in stocks that continue to run and I'm making unusual returns compared to what I see, especially the market. Well, look at this CLVR, okay, Clever Leaves. I pointed it out in a recent tweet that it was starting to make a big move up 27%. So um, there's another cannabis stock that I saw that's not in here right now, but Aurora Cannabis also. So this is the way that I am in the trades that are winning. And it's once again a fairly simple process. I place my buy orders by being in the chart, and then automatically my stop is there to help me manage the position. So let's take a look at some of the other names, like this one. So this move is a little extended, so I'm just not going to get into this right now. But what I will do is go like right to the moving average and place my orders there. Let me switch that up. There we go. Okay. Here's another name. Made a little move. Just take my order to the moving average. And here it is. Move it up just a little bit so you can see it better. This is the way that I do it. And it's the way everyone, I believe, should do it, because this is the simple methodology. Here, this stock is starting to move, so I'm going to see if I can jump right in it and just put my stop loss just below. Again, very small amount of, there we go. Just got filled. So now you see how it is done. Do you think you can do this? It's so simple. I can't believe that you can't. So give it a try. And you have to, of course, have Trade Ideas technology for it. But we are used by all the good traders in the game. So enjoy it. Thank you.